Now we can discuss about one of the service opportunity, that is catering services. If that personal chef gig is too restrictive for your schedule, consider catering instead. Pick your projects, work on fewer but larger events, and hone on your time management skills. So catering services are also nowadays a very big business in cities and towns also, and not only in metropolitan cities, in cities and towns also, because in catering services, what it will be done is, in a home is there, in a home birthday program is there. They are calling around his son's birthday or daughter's birthday means they are calling around in and around 5 to 10 relatives and 10 surrounding families of 5 to 10 families only they will call. For them, they want to arrange a lunch or otherwise dinner. That time they cannot do preparation from the morning to night. So all these things, if they give a catering to that person, yeah, he will come and he will say the varieties, what varieties are required according to the varieties, and snacks, everything they will charge. By that he will give approximate figure, not approximate, accurate figure with all the things. By that the supply will come. The caterer will supply things in a van with meals, uh, with rice, parotas, chapatis, and pulkas, and curries, everything he will come. He will come to certain time. If it is dinner means around after 8 p.m. He will maintain. His own table will be there. In that he will settle everything and supply in buffet system. Likewise, also it will be done very well. So it is also a very good business nowadays. Catering is also a prosperous and comfortable to everyone also. So wishing you all the best. May God bless you. And do catering if you like it. If you are having a tiffin center or home suppliers are very good. If you are having very good making skills in food and all these things, then you can start with your team itself with the catering services. Wishing you all the best.